Hey, how are you? And welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you my favorite Huda Beauty products. These are everyday products that you can use on yourself, that you are going to get compliments on, and that are perfect and definitely worth buying. So if you want to check them out, keep on watching because I'm going to give you the best review on them. The first Huda Beauty product that I wanted to show you guys is this palette that, as you guys can see here, it has a prep. So basically this is a base to smooth skin and amplify light. And then it has the set, which is the second one. It's called Santorini, and you use it on the cheek temple to set and bring out a pop of light. And then the third one is to sculpt. This goes underneath the cheekbones, and what it does is that it adds dimension to your cheekbones. So for that Kim K carb look, this is it. Then the fourth one is called Flush. And this one is my favorite because this just adds a pop of color to your cheeks. So this is a blush, but to be honest with you guys, I get my blush brush and I only apply that on my cheeks and on my cheekbones because I love blush. Blush and foundation and mascara are my best friends. So you are going to absolutely love this palette. The quality, as with anything that has to do with Huda Beauty, is incredible. It does feel very sturdy and very, I don't know, expensive. I don't know if I can use that word, but it's a beautiful 3D highlighting palette that is perfect for an everyday. Whether you're a content creator or not, whether you love makeup or not, or you're starting out with makeup, this is a great investment because you basically have everything that you need in one palette. And one of the things I love most is that the colors are very easy to blend, and that is a huge plus. I plan to do a tutorial to show you guys how to properly blend your makeup, but this is a beautiful, beautiful, there you go, but this is a beautiful, beautiful palette to have or to gift mom. I know that Mother's Day is right around the corner, so yeah, I absolutely love this palette and it's more than recommended. The next product that I want to tell you guys about is this body highlighter, and I'm going to teach you the correct way of using it. Okay, so this is a beautiful, beautiful product, and you can wear this on an everyday. I honestly don't care on days that I'm feeling, I don't know, just good about myself and I want to layer a little bit of extra product onto my skin. This is my go-to. It is beautiful. They have, I believe, 3 shades, but this product actually works very nicely on your skin. The only thing is, and why I think it doesn't work for a lot of people, is because it can be patchy. But the way to solve this is to, for example, let's say you have an event and you want for your skin to glow when they take pictures, or you just want to go out and be complimented on how good your skin looks. What you're going to do is that you're going to shower, you're going to moisturize, and then you're going to use the brush that it comes with, which this is the brush, and you are going to apply the product here, and then since your skin is moisturized, the product is going to glide on very easily and it won't leave any streaks. The good thing about this product is that if it runs out and you notice that obviously there's a change in color on your skin, you can just apply more product onto the brush and then glide it onto your skin, and that'll do it. My experience has been that this product does transfer. It doesn't just dry onto your skin and then it's set there forever. No, it does transfer, so keep that in mind. But I usually apply it on this area of my arms because I love, like, when this area, I don't have it on right now, but I love when this area right here looks glowy. And then obviously on my neck, and you guys have seen this in some of my social media pictures because I have dry skin, so I love a glow. But yeah, I got this on Black Friday. I know that they have one that has a scent, like the Kayali scent, so you guys might want to check that out, but it does bring a generous amount of product, and this is something beautiful to have if you want for your skin to look nice. So now I want to tell you guys about Kayali. Kayali is a perfume brand that also has creams and is growing, and it's owned by Huda Beauty. And Mona Katan is one of the amazing masterminds. I know it's a family project, but this woman is so talented when it comes to fragrances. She created this perfume right here, and this is perfume for your hair. I get so many compliments on this fragrance because I'm the type of person who loves to layer fragrances, and this one right here is for your hair and it smells divine. And what you can do so that it smells even better is that when you get out of the shower, after you obviously wash your hair and then you put the towel around it, when the hair is moist, not soaking wet, what you're gonna do is that maybe you wanna apply this onto a towel and then not spray your hair. And then what you're gonna do is that you're going to just dab the towel on your hair, and that is going to lock the scent in place as the hair dries. And believe me, it is beautiful. This is such a delicate scent. It's so lightweight, but at the same time so sensual. I really can't describe it, but Kayali, if you've never tried it, you definitely have to. This is my favorite perfume brand, and if you've never tried perfume for your hair, you most certainly have to give this a shot. You are going to be in love. So now on to the next product. So I want to tell you guys about this incredible little gadget right here that you guys are looking at. This is a roller perfume, and it has two perfumes. Like there's another one here, and the scents that it brings are pink pepper and vanilla cocoa. So I'll tell you guys a story. I am not a fan of like vanilla scents, but my favorite perfume nowadays is Kayali Vanilla. It is the most perfect scent that you can layer with any other fragrance. It is out of this world from how good it smells. That in combination with a hair perfume and with other fragrances that I layer, people are always like, you smell really good. And I'm like, yeah, I know. I'm just messing with you guys, but I do get a lot of compliments on the scents that I'm wearing. And to be honest with you guys, it's Kayali. Kayali for me, I think it is such a beautiful brand, and I can tell that they invested a lot of money into it because the scent lasts. I also own the hand cream, but this Sweet Diamond, this is beautiful. And the best part is that you can carry this in your purse. You would just dab it and you would just apply it like so right here, and it smells heavenly. And the fact that they have vanilla cocoa, oh my god, it's out of this world. Anything sweet in this life is addictive. So I am going to be linking Monica Tan's YouTube channel down below so that after this video you can check out her reviews on the fragrances and why they are so incredible. But this is a must have. Pay attention whenever they have sales online. I got most of this stuff during the Black Friday sale and I saved a lot of money, but yeah, I am in love. And now I have one more product to show you guys. So the last product that you're looking at is this right here. This is a baking powder, and this is the shade that I'm super pale, so Cupcake is the best for me. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys something. I have super dry under eyes, so I always layer cream underneath my eyes so that my eyes are hydrated. It's a must for me. When I use this product on its own, it's not that drying, but it does set into fine lines. I'm gonna be 31 pretty soon. I don't have wrinkles yet, but I have like this little line right here, and this has been a great powder for me to use. To be honest with you, I use it all over my face. I really don't mind. I think it's just beautiful, and then this is what the inside looks like. I really like the fact that it has like this mesh material, and then just the right amount of powder comes out, as you guys can see right there. It is just beautiful, and yeah, I really, really like it, and it is more than recommended. So I hope that you guys loved these products, and I hope that you do get some of them. I use them on an everyday basis, and that's why I'm recommending them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any reviews on any other brands, then let me know in the comments, and I will be more than happy to do so. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye.